This high-quality integrated washing machine from Siemens is perfect if you want superb performance in a model with excellent features. It has an incredible A++ energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. This model's anti-allergy program is great if anyone in your household suffers with allergies or sensitive skin. It works by washing at higher temperatures and using extra rinses to remove 99.9% of allergens, including dust mites, pollen, and other pesky irritants. So you can look after your family's delicate skin all year round. The IQ Quiet Drive motor is quieter, more energy efficient, and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the motor, it's great for open-plan living. This means you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for an integrated washing machine with superb performance and excellent features, this high-quality model from Siemens is the perfect choice.